night. It's Saturday. It's raining. We're at Ikea. This is the only second time I've been here. This is Abby's first time. We're going so she can look. She wants to redo her bedroom, so we're gonna do some window shopping so she can redo her bedroom.
Short,
all right.
Don't you think?
So Abby wants a bed and a desk.
Those are short beds.
Those are
really short.
So, I mean, you probably should get an adult bed.
I want a look like little more than this that has a desk built into it. Like
Okay, desk built. Okay. I don't know.
we're in the children bed.
Yeah, because you're gonna be tall, pretty. You're gonna be taller. You're already tall. All right, let's keep walking. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Still making fun of our escalator, right?
Okay, let's not talk about the escalator. So, spoiler alert, I fell on the escalator. I may or may not post that video. Oh wait, look at this is what I want. This closet stuff.
Don't fall on the rug. That's even worse.
Did Robert almost fall? We're all
On the rug.
We're all like,
I'm the only not clumsy one. Even though I'm probably the most.
look at my bruise. This is what happens when you fall on the escalator.
What happens if you feel Bob?
This is what happens when you
Oh,
keep.
Mom.
Alright.
$59.
Alright, now we're in the office section.
Oh.
See if there's anything I just can't live without.
What are these?
What is that?
It's chalk.
That's funny.
It's
They're-
Mala.
It's Mala. See, it looks like an ink cartridge cassette thing.
It's chalk.
It's chalk. Who uses chalk? Do you use chalk?
My dad has to use it for his work.
Okay. So, should we get him the rainbow chalk?
He has rainbow chalk in his car. He has that Corolla. I can't say it now.
I don't
You know
know.
the crayons and the markers? Corolla?
Crayola?
Crayola, yeah.
Crayola.
I can't say it. Apparently I don't speak English.
Not very well.
Aspirate. Get.
Asparagus?
It's asparagus. Asparagus.
Asparagus. Yes, that is asparagus.
Jenny!
I'm sorry, I did it wrong. My bad. Just looking to see if there's anything I can't live without. Is it a seat cushion? We had these as kids. Like, you sit down. You know, like, it's a lap table thing. Didn't we have these as
Why is
kids?
this guy sitting there?
I swear we did.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
I have one of those too, because mine was Minnie Mouse. So it was better than any of yours.
Minnie Mouse one would be awesome.
It's coming from Salty Springs.
She's gonna download Fortnite real quick so she can play Fortnite while we're
Look
working.
at these mics. They don't even have cushions in them.
They just so people won't use them?
That is ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. Here's a tape dispenser. Say that one.
Fuji.
Fuji.
I don't know what to say. It's Fuji.
What is that? What's that?
Oh, that's a good song.
Is it
Now,
copyrighted?
I'm gonna have to turn it off because copyright. Wait, we need this. This is 3-in-1, Robert. Look at that. Three outlets in one.
I don't need it.
All right, we're back at the child's beds, and Abby's not impressed with any of the bunk beds they have here. They actually, this is it. This little section right here. So she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beds to choose from. She's not impressed. So there's none of them you like at all? This one would be good for friends. Don't you always have sleepovers?
I don't want this bed.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not really impressed with any of these beds, for sure. Are you asking Carmen where she got her bed?
Carmen.
I'm sure she didn't get it at Ikea. We will stop by Weekends Only on the way. Look at that snake charming basket. I want that snake charming basket.
Let's go get meatballs.
Alright, we're not ready for meatballs. Let's go look at the
I am sorry.
office stuff. Robert, what are you doing?
Placing
He's
these all.
rearranging the toys. That's
It's much better that way. Sorry.
it's
I see
okay.
toys laying around. What the heck do you expect
Well,
me to do?
these are cute toys.
They are.
They're mummies, aren't they?
It's really nice.
Look at
And
this
then I
guy.
can just play Fortnite from there.
I like it.
It's a dodo bird
That is a dodo bird.
with his dodo egg.
With his dodo egg. This one's wood. This isn't bad.
Yeah, but there's no desk built into it. And the desk needs to be built into the
Okay, which do you want more, a couch or a desk?
desk.
All right. This looks kind of big. I don't know how. Abby's bedroom is a little smaller. I think this would overpower your bedroom.
Oh, would it?
I think it would. All right. So how much are these mummies?
much
Oh my God, that's a vampire.
Dodo bird. Mummy man.
All right. Mummy is $4.99.
What is this? Oh, that's that bird again.
Cat. Okay, we got a mummy, a cat, an eagle, and a vampire. So which is the cat?
It's got a lot of cats.
I think they're out of cats.
No, they're not. There can never be out of cats.
So your dodo bird is actually an eagle.
Alright, well, he's still a dodo bird.
I don't see any cats, Abby.
No?
Oh, she found
found
it.
it. Oh, yeah,
Oh
he's
my
cool.
God, he's
It
got a
has a little
back.
backpack.
His backpack in
Look at his little tail.
skydiving glasses or something. That's funny.
I want to jump out of a plane.
Yeah. Well, you. No,
But I want to skydive. There needs to be a parachute on my back.
I'm not skydiving with you. Just so you know.
What would you do with me? Would you walk through the whole thing?
All right, this is a little food section. I just want to see if there's anything interesting to come back for. We are gonna go back upstairs and eat at the cafeteria. First, I want to see if there's any foods we'll buy on the way out. Potato chips. Potato chips, sauce, and onion. That kind of looks interesting.
There are scum towels.
Caramel almond candy.
There are scum towels.
Scum towels? I believe you. Doesn't is it a food? Because that doesn't sound very appetizing. What is this? That. Oh my
We should
God,
buy
that's
some and try some. Be like trying
I
some
will.
sweetest candy.
I will. We're gonna go. We'll come back down. After. I just want to see if there's anything to pick up. I don't want to carry it
I've always
upstairs.
wanted to try sweetest candy.
Oh, here you go, Robert. Linden. Oh, that's strawberry jam. The lingonberry jam. Robert, there's lingonberries. Lingonberry jam.
Lingonberry?
You're very funny.
Sorry.
That's fine. Wants a chocolate?
I don't like chocolate cake though.
Okay, you already touched it. You're grabbing it.
I know. I don't like it. I don't like chocolate cake as much as vanilla cake.
That's fine.
Are you getting that cake?
Robert, they have an apple one.
What cake are you gonna get?
I'm gonna try the one on the end.
Will you not get?
You can grab it. I don't know
I'll
what.
put your plate up here. Are you gonna get your own conspiracy cake? Or you gonna share it?
I'll share yours.
Yeah. Do you think you're gonna eat it all?
I don't know.
Okay,
don't
Robert
eat
will,
much.
Robert will share it with you because I doubt you eat it all.
Let's
you guys,
start.
you
Let's
guys
hear
can
it.
split. So this is like there's one, that one. It's very slow moving. Cafeteria line. I feel like I'm back in high school, but much better
I
choice.
tried a little piece of that. That tasted.
This is kind
Okay.
of nice.
Maybe it's just my
It's just
finger.
like high school, but my high school did not have these good choices.
My school, okay, so it's either the main choice, or if you don't want it, then you can get any type of pizza, a cheeseburger, spicy chicken sandwich, or a hamburger.
When I was a kid, you had what there wasn't choices. Every day, like I gave you a menu for the week, and that was that. You didn't get 20 choices like you do nowadays.
What's that plate of goodness?
Let's see. Chicken, cheese.
Chicken.
Okay, watch your hair.
Chicken, carrots.
Your hair is getting in the
Chicken,
chocolate
carrots,
cake.
grape, cheese.
Kids grilled chicken.
It looks like
That's
my-
a barbecue
I
chicken.
wish they
wrap.
put the Swedish names on it.
Yeah.
Swedish what?
Swedish
The
name.
Swedish name for this stuff. So I can pronounce it as we go.
So you can
Keep me occupied. Opposed to looking at the
Don't be tilting that. So are we all getting the Swedish meatballs?
This is how you hold this, you don't drop it.
Okay, you're terrible at this.
I had to sneeze.
I got it. Sneeze.
I had to sneeze, I had to itch my nose.
Okay.
Maybe we should have grabbed the cart when we came through.
No, because we're gonna be sitting down in like 5 minutes. We're fine. It is a nice
I've never seen that before. That's some extra. The broccoli here and then the vegetable.
I think it's a vegetable.
Just a little bit of the
Okay, vegetable.
sauce on there. Forget it. I need something that's fun here to this.
I got a sweetest meatball. I got you. I just. Fries, mashed potatoes, and mac and cheese.
Yeah, you can throw it there.
Swedish meatballs. I do not know what that is. What is this right here? Pizza. And then mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese.
Hi, Swedish meatballs.
And Abby's got her hidden Mickey. If anybody's a Disney fan, they know what we're talking about. So, alright, we're gonna eat. Alright, we just left Ikea. We did not buy anything. Abby's hiding. Abby, that was your first trip to Ikea. What did you think?
They didn't have any good beds.
No, they didn't. Not much to choose from. And they were all like crappy made. So, we are going to Weekends Only, which I realize Weekends Only doesn't always have the best furniture either. It's hit and miss. It is better than IKEA. It's hit and miss. I found some good stuff at Weekends Only. Actually, I think my desk came from Weekends Only and I love it. So, Abby's friend Carmen got a bunch of furniture there that she loves. So, we're going to check it out. So, did you like the Swedish meatballs?
They had a weird taste.
They had a weird taste. And then the sodas were not like Pepsi or Coke. It was all
They had cola though.
cola, but it didn't. It tasted like diet to me. But they had, am I saying it right? A lingonberry? What was the pink?
Yeah, that was it.
There was a lingonberry cola that was so good. It was really good. So
And they had a pear.
and a pear drink. Did you like it?
I did.
And there was one called Just Water. It was
Just water. It was called Just Water.
Yes.
So for the three of us, the lunch was only $29.99, which is actually really good.
They had good.
The Swedish meatballs with 2 sides was only $5.99. It was definitely cafeteria style. You had to like bust your own trays at the end. Maybe other towns have better Ikeas. This is my second time. I still wasn't impressed. I will not be going back to Ikea again. That was it. Just not my thing. I don't know. It was fun walking around, but I always buy something. I didn't buy anything today. Nothing I wanted. So anyway,
The names.
and the what?
The names are funny.
The names are funny. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later. Robert and Abby are matching.
Oh, gosh. All right.